we have big news right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a very exciting video. I purchased an E90 M3. I bought it about like 6 days ago, and it just got here today. We're going to be going tonight after work to go pick the car up. I'm going to have to drive like 25 minutes south to go get the car, and Jagger's going to be coming with me. I told Jagger that I have to go drop off some parts for the 190 to the mechanic that has the car, which technically I do have to do, but we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be driving down to go pick up the car. So this entire time, Jagger thinks that we're going to be dropping parts off for the 190, and then I'm going to be like, dude, we're actually not going to drop off parts for the 190. We're actually going to be picking up a black on black 6-speed E90 M3. So I hope you guys stay tuned for this video and enjoy whatever clips are to follow. I have no idea how I'm going to record the sequence of this. I'm like beyond excited for this car to come in. Like literally bought the car on Thursday or Wednesday actually. I bought the car on Wednesday. And I literally, since Wednesday, I have watched the most E90 M3 content I have ever seen, probably within the past like 5 years. And I also like have literally been not able to sleep. Like I've been dreaming about this day for probably the past 6 years, and like for it to finally like come true is like just an absolute dream. Like it's insane, like insane to even think about that this is actually gonna happen. So yeah, stay tuned for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm currently in the car with Jagger. We are headed down south a little bit to drop off some parts for the 190. We are dropping off the valve cover gasket, and then we're also dropping off the cylinder head gasket as well. The head should have been pulled today. So yeah, we'll catch up with you guys when we get closer. But for now, enjoy that. For anybody that doesn't have money for an escort, please go and get that.
Hey, get out of here, boy. No, the unit's amazing. I love this thing.
I just did him so dirty.
Yeah, you did.
I just did him so dirty.
You did indeed. It's a good radar detector, though.
No, facts. Hey, if I ever get an M3, I'm getting one of those radar detectors. Big trust.
He's got to go. He's got to go.
Big trust.
So
you know what I'm saying?
we can be on the freeway and make sure we're doing freeway speeds. You know what I'm saying?
Hey. The only reason to get a radar detector is so you make sure you're doing the freeway speed.
Yeah, staying low.
Speedometers are never accurate, okay?
No, they're not.
Alright guys, so we're about like 10 minutes away, 10-12 minutes away. So I think now's the time to tell Jagger where we're actually going.
Where are we going?
We're going to pick up an E90 M3.
Are you serious?
Deadass. I bought an E90 last week. I didn't tell you about it. And we're going to fucking pick up an E90 M3, 6-speed manual right now.
No, you're lying.
I swear to God.
No, you swear to God. Check
I swear to God.
No, you're lying,
I swear to God.
Oh my God.
I swear to God, we're going to pick up an E90 M3 right now. 6-speed manual, black on black.
I don't believe you.
I swear to God, I'll show you.
No, don't. I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
All right.
I want to get there first.
Going,
I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
That's his reaction.
I don't believe you. I do not believe you. There's no way. You're lying.
That's his reaction.
You're lying. You're lying. Are you serious?
Are
you serious?
Yeah. I wired money out. I bought it on Wednesday. I wired money on Thursday, and it was on a truck on Friday.
No, you did
and it was
not.
supposed to come tomorrow. That's why I was asking you to do the video. Yeah, dude. That's why we're about to be moving.
You're lying.
No, I swear
You're
to God.
lying. Johnny, you're lying.
Dude, I'm not. I would never joke about this. I'm being 100% serious. Black on black E90 M3 6-speed manual. No cap. No cap. I'm being dude, I don't even have, look at my backpack. I don't even have any gaskets. I was completely lying. I was lying to you about that. Let's go, baby. We're going to pick it up.
You're lying.
We're
I
going
don't believe
Dude, we're going to pick it up.
No.
We're going to pick it up. Let's go, baby. We're going to E90 M3. Dead ass, bro.
Oh my
Dead ass. We're about to be moving on the way back. We've had to be moving on the
I
way
don't believe
back.
you. I still don't believe you.
Dude, you want me to show you a
No,
picture?
I do not believe you, dude. I do not believe you.
I'll show you a
I'm sorry,
picture
I
of
do
it on
not
the
believe
trailer.
you. I'm sorry, but
We haven't,
I
dude.
don't believe you.
I've been telling Jagger about this moment probably for the last 6 years, and we've looked at probably double digits worth of E90 M3s, and that's probably why he's in disbelief. But this was it on the.
Are you like
No,
hand
no,
on the Bible?
no, dude. I swear on my mother's grave, that's the car.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a jet black on black E90 M3.
Is it manual?
Yeah, 6-speed manual.
How many miles?
So it's a one owner,
Yeah.
85K miles.
That was the what I said
Yeah,
it wasn't.
yeah,
I
yeah,
asked
yeah,
you
yeah.
about that. Like,
Yeah,
what
yeah.
happened to that?
I was like,
I
oh,
don't
it's
know.
sold for too much. I fucking bought it, dude. I just sent it. I didn't even care. I
Does
I
your dad
bought
know?
it. Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, dude. I bought it. I didn't even care. I was like, I'm gonna buy it. I don't care.
This. I can't say that, but he.
No, I'll leave everything out. We're going to pick up an E90
God,
M3 right now.
no.
Completely paid for and everything.
No.
We're going. Well, I have to pay
No.
the tow truck driver or whatever. It was from Santa Monica, so
Dude,
he brought
I
it
didn't
up.
even think about the parts.
I don't even have any gaskets with me. I just brought this, and I was like, all right, when we have like 10 minutes left, I'm gonna tell him. We're
Dude,
going to
that's-
pick up an. Oh
I'm
my
honest,
god!
yeah, I don't know why, but
I can't even
right when you
believe.
told me, my gut dropped, and now I don't know why. I still don't believe you. Until I see the car.
We're going to pick it up right now. Hey, we're going to pick up my E90
Damn,
M3 right
homie.
now. Camaro just. What?
That guy almost hit that beetle.
Oh. Yeah. So, dude, I have not been able to sleep.
Get on it, then, boy.
Dude, I've not been able to sleep for the past like 5 days.
Can you believe this guy? I don't know why. We've been looking at cars for so damn long. I still don't believe him. I don't know why. I just feel like he's pulling from it. I'm like trying to hold it right now because I told you
Dude,
I'd actually cry. And I'm
we're
trying to
2
hold it back.
miles.
I don't want you posting that because
dude, you're gonna see this car. Rod bearings done. Throttle actuators done.
they were both done.
Both done. This guy has records
Okay.
from 2008. He's the original
All right,
owner.
so-
One owner.
Okay.
One person has owned this car from Calabasas.
Oh,
Calabasas.
right in Cali. Okay.
And it was supposed to come to my house today, but the guy was like, yo, dude, I'm not going to be able to make it out there. Either I'll drop it off tomorrow or you can come get it tonight. And I'm like, I'm coming to get it tonight. If that thing is within 30 minutes of me, I'm coming to get it. He goes, it's 30 minutes away. Come get it.
This is insane.
This is nuts.
I
boys.
don't even.
This is,
Use
oh,
that
wow.
40 for your tank of gas, bro. Oh yeah, damn, bro.
Yeah, it has a quarter tank. He already told me it has a quarter tank, and we're picking it up out of Costco. So I'm gonna have to fill up. You know, your boy V8 life now.
Oh yeah, those gas prices, kind of ridiculous.
Yeah. So
Dude, I
enjoy
tried it.
enjoy this content you guys are about to see of me and Jagger picking up my E90 M3. All right, guys, we just got to the pickup spot. Jagger's still in disbelief. I'm like, where is the car at? Like, I'm like trying to freaking find
that
this
yours?
thing.
Yeah,
bro,
yeah.
that's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, no. I don't know if the tow truck driver's here yet. I might just give him a ring real quick. And then we will show you guys the car as soon as we see it. You know what I mean? He should be here within like 3 minutes, 2-3 minutes. You can definitely go. Hit that joint.
No.
Alright, go right into Lowe's.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh, I think he pulled it off.
Oh, what? Oh, whoa.
What does he know?
Lord.
It's
Yes, sir.
Hey, check it out. I'm gonna go get this one.
Okay. Guys, this is it.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
Just hit it.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh my god.
this is my brand new, or not brand new, but new to me, E90 M3.
Dude, he's even got the Liquid Molly sticker. You know he's running that good.
Sweet.
Oh my god, dude.
So this has, put that up there. This has the aluminum,
Pilot Sports?
yeah, it's on Pilot Sports.
Damn, dude.
This has the aluminum trim, so I'm gonna get that switched out. But,
Are these paint chips?
no, they're,
no.
it's just dirty. The car's dirty. Your boy didn't want to pay for a closed trailer, but yeah, what do y'all think? E90 M3 added to the collection. What do y'all think? What do you think?
This thing's insane.
Can you believe this is freaking my car?
No, not at all.
Life
This is something I'd see on the street and call you about, be like, bro, I saw the coolest
Dude,
thing.
oh my god, this is my car. I would just like to come out and say this is not reality right now. I'm living in a dream. This is insane. Dude, do you realize I have this car right now?
This is not
This is my
You know
car,
me,
bro.
I'm gonna go.
All right, y'all, we're in the E90 right now. Lord have mercy. Holy crap, I'm freaking out. All right, we're back with it. Next day with Jagger. We're at the house. Got it back. Everything was well. There's little things here and there that need to be fixed on it, but it's all good. It is like stupid dirty. I don't know what this is. Hopefully that comes off, but here is the car as it sits. Everything is good. So, yeah. Enjoy this cinematic of Jagger taking his shirt off and rubbing up against the car.